Our today's topic is commerce. It is one of the main business activity. So far, we have discussed two types of business activities, industry and commerce. Then we have explained industry in detail. Today, we will discuss about commerce. What is commerce? Commerce is the means of making the product available to the consumers. It works parallel with the industries and can be seen as a medium between the producers and consumers. We can define commerce as activities which are necessary in facilitating exchange of goods and services are included under commerce. Commerce acts as a link between producer and consumer. It removes all the hindrances in the process of exchange. It helps free flow of goods and services. Commerce includes purchase, sale, distribution, as well as the auxiliaries to trade. Functions of commerce. Commerce performs following main functions. Number one, removal of hindrance of person. Commerce removes the hindrance of person by making the goods available from the producer to the consumer through effective trade channels, that is, retailers, wholesalers, etc. Second, removal of hindrance of place. Goods are produced at one place and are used at different places. They are carried from one place to another place of production to the place of consumption by means of transportation. Thus, commerce removes the hindrance of place. So, transportation comes under commerce. Removal of hindrance of time. Goods produced at some time may not be demanded by the consumers at the same time. There may be a gap of time between the production and the consumption. This gap is removed by facilities of storage and warehousing. Next important function is removal of hindrance of risk. Risk is always associated with the business. Goods kept in store or during transportation can be damaged and can be lost due to theft, fire, accident, etc. Insurance companies remove this hindrance on the payment of small premiums. Next function is removal of hindrance of finance. Each and every business requires money, finance, to carry on its business activities. Sometimes business has no money of its own. This hindrance of finance is removed by financial institutions and banks. They provide loans and advances at low interest rates to the businessman. Thus, they remove hindrance of finance. Commerce can be further subdivided into two types of activities. First is trade, second is auxiliaries to trade. What is trade? Trade means buying, selling, and exchange of goods and services. While as auxiliaries to trade, they help in performing trade activities. Only the production of products and services is not enough until it reaches to the end consumer. Trade is the channel between the producer and the consumers that is responsible for the distribution of products and services. Trade is the business activity which is involved in buying and selling of goods. It is an important part of commerce. It is a link between producer and consumer. Trades can be classified broadly into two categories: internal trade and external trade, that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.